Police draw down as Beenie Man and the Bounty Killer battle in live versus clash.
I just got to big up Riri. She's on the live. Yeah. Riri, you see Mimi? Calm down. Yo. Calm down. And Beenie. Calm down. Calm down. Riri.
She see wee.
She see wee.
On her TV.
Yo.
Bounty Killer alongside Beenie.
Yes.
So when I do that, you know what me do? Me do this.
Teach them. Always make sure the message I reach them.
There were anxious moments on Saturday evening, the 23rd of May, as the police drew down on the corporate area location where dancehall legends Beenie Man and the Bounty Killer were engaged in a highly anticipated versus clash. The dancehall icons had been offering up hits after hits during the event being streamed live to nearly 500,000 viewers, when Beenie Man made it clear something unexpected was happening.
Good evening, officer. Good evening, officer. Yeah. We are on international TV live, people. The police are here. And they're saying good evening. Good evening, officer. How are you, sir? You all right? You good? Huh? Crystal? Everything good? All right. Can we not do this right now? The world is watching us right now. Can we not do this right now? Can we not do this right now? We got 500,000 people watching us right now all over the world. Do you want to be that guy? Do you want to be this guy? You want to be that guy? Do you want to be that guy? Do you want to be that guy? Listen. Yeah. Yeah. People, the police are here, but we're not stopping. Because before COVID-19, it was murderers killing people. It was people killing people. Then COVID-19 started killing people. So we do this. Hey, stop. Killer, we're not going to make them disturb our thing. Killer, come back over here, son. Them gone out the door. People, the police are gone. We get rid of them. It's good. We are Jamaicans. We're being nice. We're being good. We're nice people. When it don't make we start to fight. So people, let's do this.
The local promoters could not be immediately reached for a comment or to say whether they had obtained permission for the event to be staged during curfew hours imposed by the government as part of the COVID containment measures. However, Culture Minister Olivia Babsy Grange said she was happy that the situation was resolved. Grange said she had been in talks with Solid Agency to make special arrangements to facilitate the event and was awaiting a formal letter from the entity. I don't recall seeing that letter, but it would not have been a problem. I had no doubt that if there was ever an issue, it would be resolved amicably, said Grange. Grange later tweeted saying, "There is no question or doubt, Jamaica's music is the most powerful music in the world. That was proven again tonight, with how many celebrities, both local and international, tuned in to the clash," she said. Earlier, Prime Minister Andrew Holness had tweeted that he was enjoying the clash of the two dancehall veterans. Speaking later on his behalf, Press Secretary Naomi Francis said it was a night when Jamaica won. Jamaica won tonight, and the Prime Minister is ecstatic to have witnessed how well both men represented, she said. Francis said Bounty and Beenie showed that they are really the flag bearers of Jamaican culture and music. "I know that the Prime Minister is happy that they paid homage to the country that they rose from by playing the national anthem," she said. The versus battle, which was organized by American producer Switz Beats and Timbaland, was streamed live on Instagram, with people also pushing the show to YouTube channels and their personal social media accounts. During the performance, the clash trended at #1 on Twitter worldwide.
Nice song I have to play over back. Okay. All right. Bounty Killer. Just play Diana King and Bounty Killer. So I feel like I should just play Little Kim, Beenie Man. Can we do this?
It's a DJ Clue production. Yeah. But you know, when it comes to hip-hop collaboration, I mean, run it, Beenie. You have some nice hip-hop collaboration. Stop it. Calm down. It's my time.
Seriously?
Take your time, Richie. Yeah, big up Little Kim.
I wouldn't try to.
This is Bounty Killer alongside Jeru the Damager.
Seriously?
New York underground hit smash. This is not Billboard. This
Not a
is
mercy.
Billboard.
I wouldn't try to pull.
I don't know.
Five us got the power.
Bobby
mercy.
Condors!
Come on,
Massive
block
beat!
them like a rain.
Murder them.
I Killer, me just have one thing to say to you. Seriously? Drop it, Kurt.
Yeah. Where that? This bad man you get shot, I mean if I had a more shot.
Okay.
Richie, drop it. Drop that no.
Seriously? Seriously? Alright, you do that. All this killing, shooting, hanging people, chopping off people's head. I just say one thing, Bunty. I can't say something. But that's why I said this.
Yeah, big up Gorilla Blacks. Nice hip-hop crossover. But them songs don't really make it Beenie. See the big hip-hop collaboration them here. We make gunshot bust. Hold it! New York, stand up! Yo!
Seriously? 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 Bunty Killer. Let me tell you something. Because I never forgot hip-hop for silent, you know. I just want to tell you something. I can't tell you something. Every day I've been going around and telling stories.
Romy, him don't know me. I have nothing to do with Romy. You know who Romy is? I just sing him about Romy. Hey! Yo! Dull Cutlass. Kaboom!
At that I'm to Bunty Killer now, you know. Yes, when him come at me, I talk about worthless boy, and the girl make him feel good. Because when him left me, I didn't know where going.
Me a old lion, me no go dog business, Beenie, because dog do some dogish something.
Yeah.
You want go on?
Lion do the same thing what dog do.
Lion and dog are different species. Yes.
Animal them.
Anyway, the girl them. I my girl them sugar. Me I girl them luga. Alright? I'm the girl them sugar. When them want sweet up, then call Beenie. When they want something beat up, then call Bunty. Anyway.
That's when I realized it. The music I get it from it. And then everybody I use a weed though. No, like we shabado. And then everybody a bust pan it. So me I realized it now. Me I figure, you know, deal with what we deal with. Give them what we are deal with. And make them know what we are deal with. So Neptune called me. Stop. Neptune called me and said, Beans, I want to make this song. I said, which song? Then I said, I got it. I want to do Simma with the girls I'm sugar. I'm like, yeah, you serious? And him say, okay, let's do this. I'm going to go to the studio and me and him there, me and Pharrell, and we'll work it out and everything. And me I said, it can't work, you know. But you're going to need a girl to sing on it. And him called Maya. From Maya walk in the studio, the song done. And we do something like that.
Yeah. Show me no circle and me no chill. Me spill and kill. Yes. So, how overseas mood we in her? I check a wicked producer called Wycliffe and like my spliff. Play this. Kaboom.
Yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy. I'm just going to go party myself. Everybody, this is me and Wycliffe Jean. Written and produced. Written by me. Produced by Wycliffe Jean. For Shocking Vibe Production.
Yeah.
They get this right.
I will leave for collaboration in that. You know, me never remember all one. But anyway, I'm very quick. Rich a day, let it be. Okay.
I don't remember when you put this on. Yeah.
It was 2000 and few.
Yeah. I don't remember. But me know that song is bad. That's when I decided to do this. Good evening, officer. Bunty Killer.
Beenie look like a thief at you. I made it to play a while ago, you know.
No.
Actually, police them upstruck, you know.
Oh, true.
No, made it to play a while ago.
No, who that
yeah.
Dog.
Yeah.
Dog.
Yeah, Beenie had twice thrown that thief. No thief no more.
Yeah,
cops is out there.
Not thief no more.
The cops is out there.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know.
All of us.
Me and the poor people.
Hold on, stop now. Don't count that one, there's one.
All right.
That one there forget the captain
Yeah,
out
record.
of the place.
All right. Okay.
And thing.
Oh.
All right, good. Don't call
What
that
a
one.
wicked negotiator.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, as you know,
Yeah.
I are the poor people's governor.
Yeah, there you
So,
go.
this is where we take them to parliament and settle the argument.
There you go. Mega DJ that sang your life, so no man can count it as it's not another song. It's a song.
A song is a song, Beenie.
Yeah, good. Please.
You play it or you sing it.
Really?
You spin it or you sing it.
Yeah.
You still bring it.
I pull up. Yeah, I hear a song now.
Okay.
I hear a song. And my song that, you know. Hey, and my song that. I hear a song now.
Okay, well,
And my song that.
this is one of the songs why I not have no visa and I can't leave there.
Yeah.
Play this. You can PG in the... Yes, it show me only killer swing. I mean, don't do the nonsense thing. Anyway, Richard, ready?
Killer. All right, hear me now.
Yes. The girl them come out in a Barbie doll frock now.
Yeah, girl, them come on.
And then, when Beenie go one bag of girl thing, me don't like the bag of man thing, me like bad thing,
Yeah, yeah.
not man thing. Yeah, yeah.
So it's very distinguished.
Pull up.
Hey. Killer. Yes, when you go there, so, me in an argument, me decide say, me go change dancehall music. Cause too much man a DJ 1-1 and 2-2 line, and the girl them now whine in at the right time. So me get the girl them waistline to write in the right time. So me sing a song like this.
Yeah, and I right there so in a girl lane. Where they are mixing lap. A noble forward, God bless him soul. East Coast. Yes, Bulby York. And Sly and Robbie and Jazzwad. Play this rhythm. I give them a heli talk. He plays this rhythm.
He plays this rhythm.
And this one called The Benson Bieber.
The Benson.
New York! VP Records. My experience, 1996. Drop it.
Kick it.
What we there?
1996, my experience. Benson Beamer.
Find my song, sir. And don't go
The man
kill up.
introduced the sound.
Down the mouse.
Yes, when Bounty Killer do that, say girl them have face, shape, figure. We just go out from the veranda and just look on them one. And just say, all right, take a picture of that one there. And just walk going to in I road, and when she reach me, just ask her something like this.
Yeah. Well, Beenie are the wickedest lamb, but me are the greatest one. Okay? So he's the wickedest, but I are the greatest. So why you play that, the ladies?
You know him I go do that. And you know him I go say that. But all of my ladies, them know say them good. And them have them man lock. And them have food lock. And them have cleaning lock. And them have wash lock. And them have press lock. And if them have none of that lock, I a helper. All of my ladies, them have that song here.
Huh. Yo. Yeah. One bag of man in a hump and something.
Yeah.
Anyway, Richie. You know, say me is not a girl DJ, but I are a DJ for the girls.
Yeah.
So, I never stay there. I go elsewhere.
Yeah.
So play for me there.
I'm a one burner. I'm a grown man. I'm a one burner. My woman is in here place. And my kids are here. So, yeah, thank you. Some man fear. No, don't do that. Say what I say, but don't do what I do.
Yes. Wally girl. One wife enough can't keep on. Alright. Rhythm up. Pull up. Them say a few more songs, so me now play no 90 seconds. Me I cut the seconds them.
Yeah, cut the seconds.
No, listen me now, Beenie. On stage,
You can't
we
play two
war.
songs one time.
In a life, we par.
You can't play two songs.
No, listen, Beenie, I know 2 songs. And 90 seconds, me have to play one. Me I make one.
You can't play two songs in a one.
Beenie, you play about 5 songs. Listen, me play
Man,
me song.
wicked, man.
I want special this. This is no song then. This is a special.
Man,
This is out of song business.
Man, wicked.
This is
You're
dub
breaking
play.
the rules.
Beenie, a sound clash them say. Where you dub there?
Man,
The war
Mega
against
England.
Stevie. Hold on. Fix me
Beenie man.
dub.
All right. Fix.
Set me dub.
Fix Bounty Killer.
What you playing?
Fix it up. Play.
Then play me dub, no?
Beenie man. Mega England.
Mega England.
Get up, it's Warlord, the Sky Star General.
Yeah, Yo, tune for tune, Kurt Riley.
No,
One of them.
hold on there.
Yo,
Hold on there.
Yo.
I went to.
Yo.
I went to.
Guns out.
Bounty killer.
Pull it.
Bounty killer, I'm not for cutting the plate. I'm not for cutting the plate, no. I just want to say one thing. Play me tune.
Bobby, I me have the real ganja. Anthem.
I'm just going to say
Yo.
You're so easy to make your bossy place, door and put me.
No, Beenie, I'm a song bossy place. I know you make me bossy place.
You're so easy to make your bossy.
Anyway,
Hey, boy,
time I go. Don't talk it out.
Hey, read it. Play it. Play it. Oh, am I time for play?
Yes, I your time.
So you play ganja.
Yes.
We smoke the ganja. We drink a little liquor. And we full jar ourselves. Are you ready to party, people? Let's do this. Are you ready?
Yeah, big song. International dancehall crossover song. Boy, anyway, Beenie, me now smoke out and joke out the war, you know. I smoking and drinking over this night. Hey, listen me. Me a bad man.
Yeah.
Beenie, listen me. On stage we war.
Yeah.
All right? I in a life apart. So you see right
Yeah.
now, from them show me the money, me no in a nothing funny.
Yeah.
Play a murder.
Yeah.
No, wait. Come in. What me next dub there? Double barrel.
Double
quick.
barrel.
Tick on fast. Beenie,
No,
I
no,
war the people.
Pull it.
We juggling now.
Me now got it.
Pull it.
Hey. Stop.
Hold on.
Hey, stop. You know me now got have it.
Calm down!
No, me now got have it. I want
Calm
to.
down!
I want to, no man. Listen me now. Stop. Killer. Me now got have it. How you do? Richie D, me now got. I want to. You're going like a killer alone bad.
Calm down!
A killer alone bad. Okay. So me a handicap and nook me up. And foot them cut off. Wheelchair me now. Nobody around with me. Killer, you now got bad me. Me can't play that song your phone, please. Me just want to say. Condolences to Bobby Digital family. Condolences to Bungie Garland family. Condolences to everybody who lost somebody in this time. See, the COVID-19 is a wicked thing and it's killing people all over the world. So we just need to love each other, protect yourself, protect your family. Stay in your yard. Tan in your yard.
Yeah, tan in your yard.
Yeah.
But stay together. So as you know, the COVID-19, it's a real crisis across the world, all right? But anyway, we are #1 trending on Twitter, all right? And YouTube, we are stepped on fast.
Yeah,
all right?
fast.
So don't watch your face, all right? So big up C-Rock as we rock.
Yeah.
We the best. Khalid.
Well, on,
did
did you say something?
Timberland. Swiss me.
King Beenie, man. Follow me. My brother ramped me now. Gun Godzilla.
Anyway, Beenie, listen me. It's a war and the war can't
The
end,
war
so.
cannot
The
done,
war
so.
for end on a hype.
All right.
Listen me.
Wagwan.
Me is a killing machine.
Yes,
all
all
right.
right.
So listen me, I'll be a killing thing.
Yes,
now.
so.
Beenie is a good opponent, but he don't have enough war
Me a
component.
bad man. How we are do?
All right. So
we
let's
are doing?
finish the moment.
How we are do?
All right. Hi G. Big up Beenie, my G. But bye G.
Hey, yo,
Boys,
versus.
It's not
Reverse
easy.
the hearses.
When my pop
Hey,
up,
yo,
you got squeezy.
Beenie, stop talking me dub.
Hey, yo, what is
Silent.
verses? Reverse the hearses and put these two bodies in the churches. Hey, yo, what? Teach them. Hey, yo, send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.